Chocolate. The mere whisper of the word conjures images of pure indulgence, silky smooth, rich, and decadent. But how often do we stop to consider the journey of this beloved treat? From humble bean to decadent bar, the story of chocolate is an epic adventure spanning continents, cultures, and centuries. Our journey begins in the heart of the tropics, where the cacao tree, bearer of the precious cocoa bean, thrives. Imagine lush plantations bathed in warm sunshine, the air thick with the aroma of ripe fruit. It is here that the transformation begins, a dance between nature's bounty and human ingenuity. Join me as we trace the path of the cocoa bean, from its tropical birthplace to the bustling heart of a chocolate factory. We will uncover the secrets behind each stage of transformation, witnessing firsthand the meticulous processes and the passion that culminate in that perfect bite of chocolate. Prepare to be amazed by the alchemy that transforms a simple bean into a universal symbol of pleasure. The cacao tree, native to the lush and vibrant Amazon rainforest, bears fruit unlike any other. This tree, with its broad leaves and sturdy trunk, thrives in the humid tropical climate, creating an ideal environment for the growth of its precious pods. Large pod-like fruits in vibrant hues of yellow, orange, and red cling to the trunk and branches. These colorful pods stand out against the green foliage, making them a striking sight in the dense rainforest. These pods hold the key to our beloved chocolate, the cocoa beans. Nestled inside each pod are rows of beans, each one a potential source of the rich, complex flavors that chocolate lovers cherish. Harvesting these precious beans is a labor of love. It requires not only skill but also a deep understanding of the cacao tree and its growth cycle. Skilled workers, armed with machetes, carefully cut the pods from the trees, ensuring minimal damage to the delicate branches. This precision is crucial, as it allows the tree to continue producing pods for many years. The pods are then gathered and split open, revealing rows of plump white cocoa beans encased in a sticky pulp. This pulp is sweet and fruity, a stark contrast to the bitter beans it surrounds. The beans, still coated in their sweet, fruity pulp, are then scooped out and piled onto banana leaves or placed in fermentation boxes. This traditional method has been used for centuries and is essential for developing the bean's flavor. This crucial step, known as fermentation, is where the magical transformation begins. During fermentation, the beans undergo a series of chemical changes that are vital for developing the complex flavors of chocolate. Over the course of several days, naturally occurring yeasts and bacteria work their magic, breaking down the sugars in the pulp and developing the complex flavors that will define the final chocolate. This process is carefully monitored to ensure the beans ferment properly. Once fermentation is complete, the beans, now a rich brown color, are spread out under the tropical sun to dry. This drying process is crucial for reducing the moisture content of the beans, which helps to prevent mold growth and ensures the beans can be stored for long periods. This drying process is essential for reducing moisture content and preventing mold growth. The beans are spread out in thin layers and left to dry in the sun for several days. The beans are regularly turned to ensure even drying, their rich chocolatey aroma filling the air. This aroma is a tantalizing hint of the delicious chocolate that will eventually be made from these beans. The drying process not only preserves the beans, but also enhances their flavor, making them ready for the next steps in the chocolate-making journey. Our journey now takes us from the sun-drenched tropics, where the cocoa pods are carefully harvested by skilled farmers who have honed their craft over generations. These lush plantations are the birthplace of the cocoa beans, the very foundation of chocolate. To the bustling heart of a chocolate factory, a place where tradition meets innovation. Here, the raw bounty of the tropics is transformed into a beloved treat enjoyed by millions around the world. Inside, the air hums with anticipation and the sweet scent of chocolate hangs heavy. The factory is a symphony of activity, with machines whirring and workers diligently overseeing each step of the process. Here, the fermented and dried cocoa beans arrive, ready for the next stage of their transformation. These beans have already undergone a significant journey, from the pod to fermentation and drying, each step crucial in developing their unique flavors. The first order of business is sorting. This is a meticulous process where each bean is scrutinized to ensure only the best make it through. Skilled workers with eyes trained to spot imperfections meticulously inspect each bean, removing any that are damaged, misshapen, or show signs of mold. This step is vital, as even a single defective bean can affect the quality of the final product. Only the highest quality beans will make the cut, ensuring a final product that meets the highest standards. These selected beans are the cream of the crop, destined to become exquisite chocolate. Once sorted, the beans are ready for roasting. This is where the true magic of chocolate begins to unfold, a process that will unlock the beans' full potential. This critical step is where the true magic of chocolate begins to unfold. The beans are slowly roasted at carefully controlled temperatures, transforming their flavor profile and unlocking their hidden depths. The beans are slowly roasted at carefully controlled temperatures, transforming their flavor profile and unlocking their hidden depths. The heat works its way into the beans, coaxing out complex flavors and aromas that are essential to the character of the chocolate. The factory air fills with an intoxicating aroma, a heady blend of toasted nuts, caramel, and rich, dark chocolate. This is the moment when the beans reveal their true nature, a sensory experience that is both captivating and irresistible. The roasting process is a delicate dance of time and temperature. Each batch of beans requires careful attention, with adjustments made to ensure the perfect roast. Roast too little and the beans remain astringent and underdeveloped. They lack the depth and richness that define great chocolate. Roast too long and the delicate flavors are scorched, leaving behind a bitter, burnt taste. This balance is crucial, as it can make or break the final product. It is the skill of the roast master, their intuition and experience, that determines the final flavor profile of the chocolate. They are the guardians of this alchemical process, ensuring that each batch of beans reaches its full potential, ready to be transformed into the chocolate we know and love. As the beans complete their roasting journey, they are now ready to be ground, conched, and tempered, each step bringing them closer to the final, delectable product. The journey from bean to bar is a testament to the artistry and dedication that goes into every piece of chocolate. From the careful selection of beans to the precise roasting process, every detail matters. This is the birth of aroma, the moment when the humble cocoa bean is transformed into a symphony of flavors, ready to delight chocolate lovers around the world. The roasted beans, now dark and fragrant, are cracked open, revealing the nibs within. These nibs are the essence of the cocoa bean, holding the potential to transform into the chocolate we all love. The process of cracking open the beans is meticulous, ensuring that the nibs are separated from the husks without losing any of their precious content. These nibs, the very heart of the cocoa bean, are the key ingredient in chocolate making. They are small but mighty, packed with the compounds that will eventually give chocolate its distinctive taste and aroma. Each nib is a treasure trove of flavor, waiting to be unlocked through careful processing. They contain all the flavor and aroma compounds that make chocolate so irresistible. The complexity of these compounds is what sets different chocolates apart, creating a symphony of flavors that can range from bitter to sweet, fruity to floral. The journey of these nibs is just beginning, as they are about to undergo a transformation. The nibs are then ground, a process that generates heat and friction, melting the cocoa butter naturally present in the beans. This grinding process is crucial, as it breaks down the nibs into smaller particles, creating a smooth paste. The heat generated during grinding helps to release the cocoa butter, blending it seamlessly with the solid particles. The result is a thick, rich paste known as cocoa liquor. This liquor is the foundation of all chocolate, a versatile ingredient that can be used in various forms. It is the starting point for both dark and milk chocolates, as well as other chocolate-based products. This is the foundation of all chocolate. Without cocoa liquor, there would be no chocolate as we know it. It is the base from which all chocolate products are derived, whether they are sweet, bitter, or somewhere in between. Cocoa liquor is intensely flavorful, a symphony of bitter, fruity, and floral notes. Each batch of cocoa liquor can have a unique flavor profile, influenced by the origin of the beans and the specific processing methods used. This complexity is what makes chocolate tasting such an art. It is at this stage that the unique character of the beans, influenced by their terroir, genetics, and processing methods, truly shines through. The terroir, or the environment in which the beans are grown, plays a significant role in the final flavor of the cocoa liquor. Factors such as soil type, climate, and altitude all contribute to the bean's unique characteristics. The liquor can be used in its pure form to create unsweetened baking chocolate, or it can be further processed to create a wide range of chocolate products. From dark chocolate bars to creamy milk chocolates, the possibilities are endless. Each product starts with this versatile cocoa liquor, which can be adjusted and refined to achieve the desired flavor and texture. The next step in our journey takes us into the realm of cocoa butter, a key ingredient in achieving the smooth, melt-in-your-mouth texture that defines fine chocolate. Extracting cocoa butter from the liquor is a delicate process, but it is essential for creating the luxurious mouthfeel that high-quality chocolate is known for. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of cocoa butter and its role in chocolate making.